Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to save your contact sheets. First of all, let's just start by going over here to the desktop. So on my desktop, I've placed my images into a folder. These are all the images that I want to upload and create a contact sheet with. Now in Photoshop, I'm going to go back into Photoshop. I'm on the computer. You probably won't be able to use the iPad to do this. So go to one of the computers, upload your images, put them in a folder, and then you're going to go into Photoshop and you're going to go to File and you're going to go to Automate. File and Automate, and then you're going to go to Contact Sheet 2 right here. Click on that and make sure under columns and rows you have it set to 6 by 6. Otherwise, not all of your images will fit. You should have 32 images. You're going to click on up here where it says Source Images. You're going to use Photos. You're going to use Folders, and then you're going to choose the folder. So once you find the folder on your desktop, let's see, let me go to desktop here. Where is it? Right here. Okay, so in my desktop, you'll see I have this folder called Photos 1, and that's what the name of the folder was. I click Open, make sure that is saved there where it says use this folder. You're going to click OK, and it's going to start to generate your contact sheet. Now, what the contact sheet is for is for me to see like what you shot for the entire assignment. You may not want to turn in all of these. In fact, you're not going to. You're going to select 5 images that you think were the best from your shoot. So once you generate this, you'll turn that into the contact sheet assignment. And then you'll do some editing and turn in your favorite pieces from the shoot.